Epic Games dropped an amazing update today in creative mode. I want to show you guys everything that we've gotten here today, and we're going to show you a brand new mechanic you might not have seen before either. So this is going to be real cool, so stick around for that. So first of all, we've got bigger islands and more efficient islands at that too. And there's a new temperature system, so when we open up the mini map, you'll see, some different areas of the map that have a different color coding for different items you have on the map. I'll show you that in a moment. We've got more channels too, so 50 new channels, and you can have 50 teams in a game now. And before it was 16, and now we have some cool bug fixes. If you check out the patch notes, it's like surfboards and boats that kind of got a nice fix, so that's cool. Anyway, we got some consumables down here. We've got power cells, we have batteries, some explosive barrels and such. This is really cool. And there's duct tape. It would be so cool, just throwing this out there, if we could duct tape items together to bind them together so we can make our own cars, we can make our own planes and such. Oh my gosh, that'd be so cool. I really hope that's in the future. But let's show you guys some more. So you can pick all that stuff up in your inventory and you can have that. Let's show you that mechanic. So, since you guys are already here, why not? Let's just do that now. So the grotto card, I'm going to pick this up. Now check this out. You see this little waypoint? This little trail that shows up. This is really cool. I can move really far away, and this is gonna say, hey, you gotta go this way to put in that key card. So I'm gonna do it. Get ready, hold on to your pants, goobers. Check it out. Boom, piloting the chopper. Look at that, we're in the air, we're starting up, we're ready to go. Look at that effect. Boom, man, I went a little too high there, but I just wanted to show you. That chopper's gone. I just want to show you that effect. So I've got a conditional button that spawns me up into a chopper with the vent, and then I can just already be in that chopper in the air, already flying. I think that's super cool. I want to make a big, big team battle with planes and choppers and boats and stuff, and like aircraft carriers. Man, I think that'd be so cool. Like spawning in the air, not from the platform, but actually already in the air. So that's super cool. And let's go ahead and show you what I mean when I say temperature. Okay, where's our stuff? Here we go. On the map now, so we're gonna go like this. I'm gonna pick any gallery, and we'll just do a prefab so we can really dump some memory on the map. Let's just pick any of them. Let's pick a nice big one though. We'll just choose a big castle like this. This is great. Okay, I'm gonna place this right here on the map. Check this out. You see this little area that's starting to pop up? So now if we put more stuff here, more castles, becomes a little bit more apparent. Oh, okay, there's a higher density of stuff right here in the middle. And now if I go to a different part of the map. All right, we're gonna place robots. Robots everywhere. All right, so I've placed some robots here at the bottom of the map, and look how much stuff I can put on this map. See all these prefabs? Because these are further away from each other and outside of that rendering distance, it's like you can max out 100,000 memory in a little area as long as it doesn't overlap with another area. So you could do like one big city over here, another big city on that side, and another big city over here and there, etc. I mean, there might be some limits down the future, but that's just what it seems like it is at the moment. So that is really, really cool. I'm so excited that they added something like that, especially with the big islands. I was like, it doesn't matter if we get bigger islands if we can't, get some more efficient memory or just more memory in general. So instead of just spamming the whole server with more memory, we're kind of just like utilizing it better and making it more efficient. So I think that's really, really awesome. We didn't get any new weapons. They've already given us a bunch in that previous updates. That's cool. We got some fish, and the main thing for this update is, hey, look, bigger islands, more channels, and we're about to get some cool islands from a lot of people. And there's now a browser in the main menu, so let's go ahead and show you that. All right, everybody, when you're in your creative mode menu tab, check this out. We're gonna look at what we got new. There's a Discover tab. This is really cool. So you can see the different island codes of other players for the specific genres here. And I only see like 4 for this one. And I think we might be getting a different kind of setup for this. This seems a little less intuitive than I'd like, just because it's, I don't know, it feels like too much. This needs to be more simple. But you can put in any island code that you like and throw that in there and load it up. So that's awesome. I really like this. And just another step closer to getting the best creative mode we could possibly imagine. So I want a couple of things and then updates and an update to come, and that's just binding objects together. I think that'd be so awesome, just like in Halo 5 Forge. Man, that'd be so cool. But hey, I hope you guys are enjoying creative mode this far. And man, just remember back when we had so little. I remember when that first island dropped, I was so excited, but kind of instantly hit some walls because I couldn't really do much. Now the sky is the limit, and I want to see how much farther creative mode can go. Thank you guys for watching the video. I really appreciate you tuning in, and stick around for some more live streams and creative mode updates. Let me know what videos you'd like to see, more board game mechanics, and more tips on creative mode in general. Thanks, guys. Have a nice rest of your day. Peace out.